History of forensic medicine. Forensic medicine is a scientific branch of medical science that applies medical knowledge to legal issues. However, this discipline developed gradually over centuries. Its history reflects the evolution of civilization, law, and scientific thinking. For MBBS students, understanding this history is important because it explains how medical opinions gained legal authority and why doctors today play a key role in judicial systems. 1. Concept of forensic medicine in early human societies. In early human societies, there was no formal legal system or organized medical profession. Yet, communities recognized the difference between natural and violent death. Injuries caused by weapons or conflict were observed and interpreted based on experience. As societies became organized, rules were created to regulate violence and punishment. This required objective observation of injuries and deaths. Although the term forensic medicine did not exist, the concept of using bodily evidence for legal decisions had already begun. This formed the foundation of medico-legal thinking. 2. Forensic medicine in ancient civilizations. 2.1. Ancient Egypt. Ancient Egypt had advanced medical knowledge, largely due to mummification. This practice provided anatomical understanding of the human body. Egyptian authorities reportedly investigated injuries and suspicious deaths. Physicians examined wounds to determine whether harm was accidental or intentional. While not modern forensic science, this was an early example of medico-legal reasoning. 2.3. Ancient Greece. Ancient Greece introduced rational and scientific thinking. Greek physicians emphasized observation and natural causes of disease and injury. Doctors were sometimes consulted in legal disputes. Ethical principles such as honesty and objectivity developed during this period later became central to forensic medical practice. 2.3. Ancient Rome. Roman medical legal practices influenced later European legal systems and strengthened the role of medical experts in courts. 4. Forensic medicine in ancient China. China made one of the earliest organized contributions to forensic medicine. In the 13th century, Zhang wrote The Washing Away of Wrongs, a systematic forensic manual. It described detailed methods of death investigation, differentiation between accidental and homicidal deaths, and identification of causes such as drowning and strangulation. This was one of the earliest examples of forensic medicine as an organized discipline. 5. Forensic medicine during the medieval period. During the medieval period, scientific progress slowed, especially in Europe. Religious restrictions limited human dissection, delaying advancement in forensic knowledge. However, courts continued to seek medical opinions in cases of violence. This era preserved medical legal concepts despite limited scientific development. 6. Renaissance and development in the 18th and 19th centuries. The Renaissance revived scientific study and human dissection. Advances in anatomy improved understanding of injuries and causes of death. In the 18th and 19th centuries, forensic medicine became formally recognized as a separate discipline. Standardized post-mortem methods were developed, and toxicology emerged to detect poisons. Medical experts were officially recognized as expert witnesses in courts. This period established forensic medicine as a scientific specialty. 7. Importance for MBBS students. Studying the history of forensic medicine helps medical students understand the evolution of forensic principles and the ethical responsibilities of doctors. It reinforces the importance of providing unbiased, scientific, and legally sound medical opinions.